It's not the light shaping tool. It's not the softbox or the hardbox or the Magnum or whatever the fuck you want. It's not the matter you set it up. You ask a question. Everything starts from a question. You have to be in the question of what feels right for you and what feels right for you in that particular moment when you're actually taking the picture. So it's not, don't listen to me of don't try and copy my lighting or try and copy any other photographer's lighting setup or try and use that light shaping tool to get that effect, because you will be disappointed. If you want to be disappointed, be my guest. The thing is, I'm trying to get you, and you're still not getting it. I'm trying to get you to the point where you actually get to create in total freedom the light that works for you. And if you go with your knowing without going with your head, you will actually get it right every single time. So it's just a matter of you just playing with the light shaping tools as if they're your best friends, your new best friends. Get to know them so you know their character. Just like you know the character of your friends, you have to know the character of your light shaping tools. In other words, the characteristics of the light of each light shaping tool. And then you know how to play with them. And then you know how to create with them. And then you know if you should add one to the other or not. But always being the question and always getting what works for you for that particular picture. It's not because you're taking a beauty picture that you have to use a bloody beauty dish. You can use a hard light for a portrait. You can use a hard light for a beauty picture. You can use whatever you want. You can use a bloody candlelight if you want. But don't go in your bloody head. Just go with whatever feels right for you when you're taking the picture. Another thing, I might be going hard on you now, don't go hard on your bloody models and your team. That is one thing that creates a beautiful picture, is the energy that you inject into your shoot that spreads over to your team and creates pure magic. It's not the equipment, it's not the camera, it's not the lighting, it's not your bloody head. It's the energy that you choose to spread throughout your team that creates magic.